Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Nari Prompen, what are we gonna do today? Ooh, we're gonna make some Cambodian banana pastry. I'm excited. I'm always excited. Alright, so we got the Asian banana. You have to use the Asian banana for the dessert. It's a small one. You can get at any Asian grocery. Well, it's good with that one. We got sugar, sesame, coconut cream, more sugar. Actually, this was salt. And then we got flour and then cornstarch and then coconut shredding right there. That's the key. Okay, let's get started. The riper it is, the more ripe. Yeah, it was riper would be better. How much banana you can... I want to use all of it. Well, the more the better, I think.
No.
I love banana. 4, let's do 5.
No.
Let's do one more.
When you have 5, you can have 6.
No, just do 5. There you go. I like that. Yes, you did listen to me. 5 banana. I'm telling you, the more banana, the better.
Come here and just nhâm chơi tê vào đó. Nhưng từ lên không chơi qua này. Tao lấy chả đạm sai cha các bạn này.
Now cornstarch.
Cornstarch đã thành tích gì?
So we mashed the bananas into like pudding almost. And then we're gonna add cornstarch. Ooh, that's gonna get like nice and cup. American call it, forgot the word. Like very sticky and thick. You know what I'm talking about? And this is rice flour we're cutting up. And our cooking, don't ask what's the measurement. We don't measure anything. We just go by look. Yeah, we never... You know what? An actual real chef, in my opinion, never measure because they know how much ingredients you use.
Let's go.
There you go. Add sugar, some little salt, and all stir it all together. And this is going to be my first time trying this. I'm excited. Opening up the coconut cream. Oh, yeah. My favorite right here. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Anything, my favorite ingredient, the more you add, the better it'll taste. It's true. If you overdo it, it won't be good. It'll overpower. So when I cook, if I like banana, if I made this, I would use the whole banana right here. All of this. But we only use 5. But like she said though, if you use too much of a certain ingredient, it's gonna overpower the dish and it won't be good. She said if you want to put the whole entire stock of banana in, then there's no need to make this pastry, just eat the banana. That looks like banana and something pudding. Like tapioca, looks so good. It smells amazing. Oh, now you can add the coconut? Coconut shredding. Oh my lord, that looks so good. That's like pure, fresh, organic coconut there. You can smell it. I snuck some, ate it. It tastes so good. Oh, now sesame. Yeah. And did they add sugar too with it?
No.
It looked like there's a sugar in there. She said she wanted to make a little bit, but now it looks like it's overflowing the bowl. This is the waffle maker that we're gonna use to make this delicious Cambodian pastry. Let's see. Ooh, that looks so good. Here we go. That looks so good. 3. Ooh, look at that. Steaming. Let's see. Smells good. It smells like coconut and banana. Oh my goodness. Wow. I think I like it like that. Like I don't like it crispy. Nice and like starchy. Like sticky and stuff. So good. Oh my gosh. It's like gelatinous. That's the way I was looking for. Wow, like a big jello.
Wow.
All right, first try.
Let's
Bless you. What is it? Good? It's too hot? She says really, really hot, but it's good. Okay, let me try. Ooh, that's freaking hot. You're right. Ooh. Ooh. I like that.
Thử chứ.
I can eat this by the dozen.
Bà có đó hả?
How hot that
ឆ្ងាញ់មែនហ៎? បើឆ្ងាញ់មែនយកទៅលក់បុនភូមិបានទេចឹង
We can sell this. Will you guys buy this? Well, you wouldn't know until you try. But I'm telling you, it's good. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna have Matt try it. His first time trying the Cambodian dessert.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah, we just made it. It's like nice and hot.
Okay, here we go. It's made with glutinous rice?
Cornstarch. You like it? he's taking it home. It's so good. It's okay. Keep that one. We have more. Second pastry. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think we might want it redder though. A little bit more caramelized.
Nói chắc luôn ai mà đâu.
Yep, my turn to do
Hỏi
it.
sẵn á.
Yep, this is me because I like a lot
That's
of
crack
food.
thế.
I know.
Vậy việc thông thôi nhỉ?
Because I like
Lại
a
chỉ
lot
ăn
of
khăn
food.
không?
Oh, so you don't want to make it too thick like I did it because it might not
No,
cook
wait.
inside. It's okay. It'll cook. See? Just like that.
Thôi, nhầm thảo vậy bây giờ ở việc thông cái tơ đặt sụp cọt kia vô mà nó. Thôi. Hay giờ thơ nhận lụi cho na giờ nào. Lụi tầng đạch á.
A lot of people buy my pastry because I'm not greedy with it. I put a lot. She's just worried that if you put too much, it won't cook the inside. But it's okay though.
Chầm mơ
It just gives you an upset stomach. It's still edible.
Tại đi còn.
She wants me to open it because she's afraid it might burn. I'm like, no, it's so thick it shouldn't burn. Dang!
Oh my god.
Looks better than yours.
Cái thông bia à, nó khát trong khát não mà.
This is good. Let's do it a little bit longer because we want it crispy.
Khát trong khát não mà nó
I
ngon.
think it's huge. See, I told you, people come to my restaurant. All right, we're going to get it. Oh yeah, that was good. Ooh-wee. Oh, that's perfect. Oh yeah, that's nice and perfect. Look, we've been picking at it. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay, you said this time not too much, Vinay.
Bria với rồi thông đi ớ.
Yeah. Okay,
Tao bay với cream lò.
yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, like this.
Bria với.
Maybe a little bit more. Yeah. There you go. And then move it around. That's what she's saying.
More.
Okay, Lana. Because when you close it, it'll do it itself. Boom. All right, guys, it's all done. Let's get a piece.
Nộp nè mỏ, lụa nộp nè. Với bật đỏ có nè, xong xài đặt nó sáng trôi đó mà đâu.
Yeah, make it scared. Good.
Mình cái thế. Coconut.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bro,
Better than regular waffle.
this is like, you could sell this at Starbucks. Dude, people will buy this.
You need to take coconut.
This is really good.
It is really good.
My niece doesn't like coconut, and she said this is good. Wow.
Was this dry coconut when you put it in the mix?
No, it was let me get it.
Is it fresh?
Yeah, no, yeah. Right, but whatever.
That's pretty good. Wow.
Yeah.
It is. So that's like this home pat?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
All right. That is so good.
Thank you.
Nó cái trong nào các bạn này coconut nó không?
Yep.
Can you?
And you put this in there?
Yeah, we put 5 of these. We put coconut, sesame, sugar, coconut cream. So that's what, yeah.
Baltic.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, comment below, share the video. We'll see you guys next time. Ready? Bye everybody. Thank you.